Today I'm going to show you how to make a Pong game. First you want to drag to your win flag clicked, but by a cat, scratch cat, we don't want you. We want a paddle, so let's make a paddle. So draw one which has like big thickness like that. Then we want to put it here, and forever set X to mouse X. Then we want a ball. You can do any ball you like. I'm just doing a black and white ball. When flag clicked, forever move 10 steps if on edge bounce, and forever if touching sprite 1 or your paddle, if touching sprite 1, turn 90 degrees. And make sure you point it in a direction like 60. So just start bouncing off the same walls. And now you got a Pong game. Good job. Bye.